The story of chess originates from the phrase Shah-mat, which means the king is dead in Persian. According to an ancient legend, chess was invented by an Indian Brahmin named Sissa. When a Raja asked Sissa what reward he would like for his invention, the Brahmin replied modestly that he wanted only a small payment. Sissa requested that the Raja pay him with wheat grains, beginning with 1 grain for the first square of the chessboard, 2 for the second, 4 for the third, and so on, doubling the amount for each subsequent square. The ruler, who wasn't familiar with mathematics, quickly agreed to what seemed like a minor request, even feeling somewhat insulted by the low demand, and ordered his treasurer to calculate and deliver the grain. However, it turned out to be impossible to fulfill. The total amount of grain exceeded all the wheat harvested in the history of humanity. For the entire chessboard, the amount reaches 2 to the power of 64, or 18,446,743,709,551,616 grains. Their combined weight would be about 461,168,602 metric tons, requiring a storage warehouse measuring around 10 by 10 by 15 kilometers. This story is a fascinating illustration of the power of geometric progression, demonstrating how even a humble beginning can quickly multiply to unimaginable scales. It also symbolizes the value of intellect and knowledge, which may initially be underestimated but can have profound impacts.